Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Disconnect the negative battery terminal. We'll use the 10mm wrench to loosen it. Get that loose, then we can take the terminal off. Put that aside. Now we can loosen the positive terminal, so we'll lift up the protective cover. And just be sure that when you're loosening this, that this wrench doesn't touch the other terminal or touch another piece of metal, because you'll short to ground, you'll get a spark, and you could hurt yourself. So loosen this up with the 10mm. Wiggle the terminal off of here and put that aside. I'm going to take some baking soda, about a spoonful of it, and some nice warm water, about a cup of it. We'll mix it in there. So this is hot water with baking soda in it. You can take an old toothbrush, and we'll just get the toothbrush in here, pour a little bit on the terminals, start to bubble and fizz, and we can clean off the terminals. See, it's dissolving the corrosion. Pour it all over the top of the battery, just clean it off. Baking soda works to neutralize the battery acid. Now I can take the terminals, scrub the terminals off. These have some greasy terminal protector on them, but there is some corrosion coming off. Of course, once you're done with that toothbrush, you want to throw it away, or you can save it for doing other battery cleaning jobs, but you never again want to use it for a toothbrush. So now I'm just going to take some plain hot water and just rinse off the battery. Now I'd clean it with the baking soda mixture. Clean off the terminal. You can let this air dry or dry it off with a paper towel. Clean off the terminal, dry it off. Same for the positive terminal. You can reinstall positive terminal. I'm just going to have the key handy, because the alarm might go off when I reconnect the negative terminal. But before I do that, I'm going to tighten up the positive terminal. Get it tightened down here. Feel it get tight, stop. Reinstall the protective cover. I'm going to reconnect the negative terminal. I have the key here ready because the alarm might go off. Did not. Sometimes if the alarm was set and then the battery died or was disconnected, then it will automatically trigger the alarm when the battery is reconnected. I'm just going to tighten this up. The battery terminals are nice and clean now.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.